Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna be showing you in this video how affiliate marketing actually works. But first of all, I want to quickly show you some of my affiliate marketing accounts and how much I've been able to earn through these accounts in just a few weeks of starting affiliate marketing. So I want you to stay to the end of this video. It's a very short one, but then just stay to the end and see for yourself that affiliate marketing business model is actually the 21st century oil and gas business. All right, so I'm going to log into my affiliate marketing account right now. So first of all, let's go to Digistem. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how much I've earned so far from the Digistem platform. So I will just go straight to the address right now, digistem.com/user. Okay, so Digistem is one of the top affiliate marketing companies in Nigeria. Okay, now I already logged into my account before now. That is why it just brought me in directly. So since I didn't log out the last time, so as you can see, this is $20.05 balance. So this is the amount I'm yet to withdraw right now. Okay, but then I've earned a total of $185.50, a whooping sum of $185.50 to show you that Digistem actually works. Affiliate marketing actually works. If you are still in doubt, now I want to refresh this page right now so you see what I'm talking about. So this is not a photoshopped video whatsoever. As you can see, it is refreshed. Let me do that again. It's loading so you can see it once again. So this is what I've earned so far. If you are still in doubt, I want to take you to my other affiliate marketing accounts. This time around, it is Xpartner. So I'm just going to log on to my Xpartner account right now. I'm just going to log on to my Xpartner account. Okay, so xpartner.com. So let's allow this to load. I think I already logged into my account. Oh, it's logged out already. So let me log in again. I'll click on login. It's loading. All right, so this is it. Take a look at this. It says you have successfully made 9 sales. Now come down to the next section of the wallet. All times earning 222,750 naira. Now let me refresh this again for your confirmation. It's refreshing again. Look at the top. That is my name right there, Lucky Johnson. So let's come down again. You have successfully made 9 sales and I've earned 222,750 naira. So what does this tell you? Affiliate marketing actually works in Nigeria. Affiliate marketing works anywhere. This is one way that the young guys abroad are using to make a lot of money from Amazon affiliates and then from ClickBank affiliates and many of the international affiliate marketing platforms. All right, but then for you here in Nigeria, or if you are in Africa, Digistem is a very powerful affiliate marketing system that you can leverage to make a lot of money. If you truly want to make a lot of money, Digistem is a powerful affiliate marketing platform, and then Xpartner too is also viable. All right, so I hope you are convinced now that affiliate marketing actually works. Okay, so kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and then click the notification bell so that each time I publish another video, it will enable you get the notification and then you'll be able to watch the video. I hope with this you are convinced and then you'll be ready to join affiliate marketing as soon as possible. All right, see you next time. Thank you.